Hi guys, it's me and Arya again. We first wanted to wish Edward a happy birthday, so we're gonna sing to him. All right? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Edward. Happy birthday to you. I hope you have a super great birthday, even though it's a crazy time right now. Aria and I wanted to read you a book about a plastic bag, and I'm sure you can use your inferencing skills to think about why I would have chosen this book to read to you. Right, Aria? She's got Oreo down her shirt. All right. This book is called One Plastic Bag. It's by Isatou Cisse and the Recycling Women of Gambia. Gambia is located in Africa. Okay. Isatou walks with her chin frozen. Fat raindrops pelt her bare arms. Her face hides in the shadow of a palm leaf basket, and her neck stings with every step. One scents of burning wood and bubbling peanut stew drift past. Her village is close now. She lifts her nose to catch the smell. The basket tips. One fruit tumbles, then two, then 10. The basket breaks. Isatou kicks the dirt. Something silly dances past her eyes, softening her anger, and it moves like a flag, flapping in the wind, and settles under a tamarind tree. Isatou slides the strange fabric through her fingers and discovers it can carry things inside. She gathers her fruits in the bag. The basket is useless now. She drops it, knowing it will crumble and mix back with the dirt. 4 goats greet Isatou as Grandmother Mombe emerges from her kitchen hut. Hurry in before the rain soaks your beautiful Mumba. I don't know how to say that word, so we're going to try our best. Isatou scurries in, and Grandmother serves spicy rice and fish. Rain drums on the creaking aluminum roof. I broke your heart, Isatou confesses, but I found this. And by broke your heart, I mean I broke your basket. Clearly, I'm thinking about my heart. Plastic, Grandmother frowns. There's more in the city. Day after day, Isatou watches neighbors tote their things in bright blue or black plastic bags. Children slurp water and wanjo from the tiny holes poked in clear bags. Market trays fill with minties wrapped in rainbows of plastic. The colors are beautiful, she thinks. She swings her bag high. The handle breaks. 1 paper escapes, then 2, then 10. Isatou shakes sand off her papers. Another plastic bag floats by, and she tucks her things inside. The torn bag is useless now. She drops it to the dirt, as everyone does. There's nowhere else to put it. So I want you to think for a second. When she originally had her basket, she dropped it to the dirt, and it would disintegrate because it was a basket made of different materials. Now she has this plastic bag, and she's so used to dropping her things to the dirt, and she's going to drop this to the dirt. Is it going to be able to disintegrate and become part of the earth like the basket was? You say no? You're right. Day after day, the bag she dropped is still there. 1 plastic bag becomes 2, then 10, then 100. Plastic isn't beautiful anymore. She thinks. Her feet step down a cleaner path, and the thoughts float away. Years pass and Isatou grows into a woman. She barely notices the ugliness growing around her until the ugliness finds its way to her.
A baby.
Yeah, now she has her own baby. Oh, Chewy, thank you for joining us for our story time. Isatou hears a goat crying and hurries towards Grandmother's house. Why is it tied up? Where are the other goats? Inside, the butcher is speaking in a low voice. Many goats have been eating these, he says. The bags twist around their insides and the animals cannot survive. Now, 3 of your goats and so many other goats in the village have died. Grandmother Mumbe's powerful shoulders sag. Isatou must be strong and do something. But what? What are the things that the goats have been eating? Your shoes don't fit? What are the things that the goats have been eating? Are they eating food? What are they eating that is wrapping up inside their insides? Isatu's feet lead her to old ugly roads. A pile of garbage stands as wide as grandmother's cooking hut. Mosquitoes swarm near dirty pools of water alongside the pile. Smoke from the burning plastic stings her nose. Her feet back away. Goats scamper past. They forage through the trash for food. Her feet stop. She knows too much to ignore it now. Holding to her breath, she plucks one plastic bag from the pile, then 2, then 10, then 100. And one. What can we do, Isatu asks her friends. Let's wash them, says Fatim, pulling out Omo soap. Maram grabs a bucket and Inca fetches water from the well. Peggy finds clothespins. And they clip the washed bags on the line. Have you guys ever washed a plastic bag?
Not me.
Me either. As the bags dry, Isatu watches her sister crochet. Can you teach me? Well, yes. Her sister shows Isatu the stitches, then hands her a metal tool. Isatu's fingers busy themselves. In, out, around. Geez, thank you.
Maybe it fall down?
Maybe, but probably not. Isatu finds a broomstick and carves her own tool from its wood. What's that for? Fatima asks. Isatu pauses. She and Peggy have an idea. But will their friends think it's crazy? Will the idea even work? Nervously, she explains the plan. One friend agrees to help, then 2, then 5. The women cut the bags into strips and roll them into spools of plastic thread. Before long, they teach themselves how to crochet with the thread. What are they making the thread from? Are they making it from fabric or are they making it from the plastic bags?
Plastic bags.
Good inferencing, Aria. Ooh, this is hard to read. Naka Ligi Bay, says grandmother. How is the work? Naka Nanka, answers Isatu. Slow. Some people in the village laugh at us. Others call us dirty. But I believe what we're doing is good. The women crochet by candlelight, away from those who mock them.
Chewy bite me.
Ooh, here's a commercial. Until morning comes when they will no longer work in secret. Fingers sore and blistered, Isatu hauls the recycled purses to the city. One person laughs at her, then 2, then 10, then... One woman lays coins on the table. She chooses a purse and then shows it to one friend, then 2, then 10. Soon, everyone wants one. Isatu fills her own purse with dollars. She zips it shut and rides home to tell grandmother that she has made enough to buy a new goat. When she passes the pile of rubbish, she smiles because it's smaller now. Rubbish means garbage. She tells herself, one day it will be gone and my home will be beautiful. And one day... I missed myself. It was. So that's the end. I hope you enjoyed this story. And I'll just have a couple easy questions for you on the Google form. After today, things are going to get a little bit harder coming next week. So you're going to have to get ready to participate in that. If you look in the background, you can see this actual village from the book that's located in Africa. So look at all the garbage bags. We've talked about this and how it harms the animals, the fish, the environment. We have to make sure that we make less waste and do our best to do our part. And that's what the bags look like that they made out of the recycled plastic bags. Pretty cool, right? Anyway, I will talk to you tomorrow. I hope you all have a good day. I hope everybody's staying safe. And happy birthday, Edward. The end. Bye. You want to say bye?
Bye, Dad.